امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے جنوبی کوریا میں ایک تقریب سے خطاب کے دوران وزیر اعظم شہباز شریف کو بہترین شخص اور فیلڈ مارشل سید عاصم منیر کو زبردست فائٹر قرار دے دیا۔ ٹرمپ نے بھارت کو 7 خوبصورت برانڈ نیو جہازوں کی تباہی پھر سے یاد دلا دی۔ امریکی صدر نے بھارتی وزیر اعظم نریندر مودی کی نقل اتاری اور کہا کہ وہ کلر اور انتہائی سخت آدمی ہے۔
The Prime Minister of Pakistan is a great guy, and the field marshal, they have a field marshal. You know why he's a field marshal? He's a great fighter. He really is. He's a great guy, too. And so I know them all. And I'm reading that 7 planes were shot down. They're going at it, and they're really starting to go. And it's a big thing. These are 2 nuclear nations. And they're really going at it. And I called Prime Minister Modi. I said, we can't make a trade deal with you. No, we must make a trade deal. I said, no, we can't. You're starting a war with Pakistan. We're not going to do it. Killer, he's tough as hell. No, we will fight. I said, whoa, this is the same man that I know. But after a little while, and they're good people, and after literally 2 days, they called up and they said, we understand, and they stopped fighting. How is that? Isn't that amazing? Now, you think Biden would have done that? I don't think so.